Hello, I'm Hunter Grandorf, and I'm an alumni of South Puget Sound Community College, and I now work at American Benchmark Machine Works. So growing up, I really enjoyed playing with Legos, building things, so I had a good spatial reasoning, and so that's what I really enjoy with the advanced manufacturing is you get to work with actual parts and get to build the actual products. You get to see it, move it around, manipulate it, program the machine to make the actual part, and then when you go run the part and it comes out, you can see what you did well, what you didn't, and how you can improve upon things. And then at the end of the day, you're left with an actual physical object. Here at American Benchmark Machine Works, we make medical equipment for all kinds of different people and companies all over the world. And we do mostly spinal type things, so the different spinal surgeries you'll hear about, and I really enjoy it because my dad, he's a nurse, but I always liked the idea of following in like parents' footsteps, but never had the real desire to go in the actual medical, kind of squeamish and those kind of things. But it's kind of cool how it worked out where I still end up in the medical field. I just now make the stuff for the medical. I went and used Running Start to go through the welding program at South Puget Sound, and I really enjoyed that and decided to pursue more in the manufacturing field. So I saw that South Puget Sound offered the advanced manufacturing program, so I decided to go and do that as well. I ended up getting this job right out of school, so I think I was finished up and then like a week later started here. It's also good if you want to go and do a trade, and then that will allow you to have a good job to pay for maybe something you want to do in the future and when you find out when you do want to do. So that's always a good thing to have.